this tutorial, I will guide you on how to join the Arise Crossover Discord server. Now, it's very easy. Now, if you're on PC, I'll also show you on PC and you're on mobile phone. Now, let's start with PC. If you're on PC, just open the Discord app and go to this section where it's written Discover. So click on this Discover. Now, select on servers here and search for Arise Crossover. So you can just write here, just paste this Arise Crossover and click enter to search. Now, once you search, it will come here on the top for your search results, which is Arise Crossover with more than 400,000 members. So just click on this link here, and then it will take you to this section here and select Join Arise Crossover, and you will be able to join the server. Now, if you're on mobile, since there is no this section here which is written Discover, you can just go to your Google search and write Arise Crossover Discord server. Click on the first link and it will take you to the page where you can join, as is this one which has been displayed here. As you can see, continue to Discord and you'll be able to join the server. So it's very easy. You can either search it here from Discover. Just click on Discover, select servers, and you'll be able to search any community. Just right here, Arise Crossover, click enter and join using this link which has been displayed here on the first page.